Hi, my name is Chris Antes, the personal chef for thechefforyoutohave.com, and I'm here at the Conscious Cook's kitchen, and I'd like to show you a great way to make a broccoli, raisin, and cheddar casserole. So we're going to start off with some wonderful broccoli here. Put it in the bowl. And now don't be afraid, I just have these gloves on, just a little bit of health conscious, but of course it is perfectly fine to use your bare hands and mix in there. I like to get my hands in it, but I just thought today I'd use some gloves for this one. And okay, we're going to add some Thompson raisins. These are not your average raisin that you see. They're a little larger. They're naturally sweeter and juicier. So we've got that in there. Help bind it together. Some cheddar cheese. Okay, we're going to mix everything around here. And you could add, if you'd like, a little milk or some cream, but I was thinking that as this bakes, you're going to get some wonderful sauce created from the cheese as it melts down. I think I've got this a little full for all our broccoli, but let's definitely make sure and get this cheese everywhere, because again, that's going to really help bind it all together. So yeah, we're good. I'll just put those off to the side. Finish it off here with the cheese and any leftover raisins. And then this is going to go in the oven at 350. It's going to bake maybe 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So the cheese is melted and the broccoli is cooked all the way through. And then the raisins too will let out some of their juice and really make a great natural sauce in there as well.